Every day, women from all walks of life are struggling to be safe. According to the statistics, it is found that every 2 out of 3 women are harassed at least once a year. By the survey of Delhi government's Women and Child Development Department, around 80% of the women in the national capital have fear regarding their safety. Today, women are not able to move freely even in the streets due to security reasons. Day by day, women harassment is increasing. Safety is a major issue in India and also in other countries, especially for women. In the current scenario, it is very much essential to save women from harassment and violence. Though government has provided safety through rules and regulations, security is still a major concern. We are living in modern India where things have changed a lot in fields like education and medical facilities, the position that women are holding, but the only thing that has not changed is the safety of women. Nowadays, though there are many applications and devices that have been developed for women's safety through smartphone, which can be activated by touch, one click or shaking the mobile, it is not possible to carry mobiles in our hands in all circumstances and also make a call, click on it or shake it. So here, we have introduced a new technique using smart hand wearables. This device gets activated by the victim on being assaulted just by the motion of the hand or click of a button that will start the pepper spray and fetch her current location. The location will be sent to predefined emergency contact numbers or police through the Shield application present on the victim's smartphone, thus preventing the use of additional hardware, making the device compact with increased battery life.
After statistical analysis and intensive research, our team found that according to the latest data that was released by the National Crime Records Bureau, India recorded 88 rape cases every day in 2019. In addition to that, in a survey conducted by the Thomson Reuters Foundation, India was ranked the most dangerous place for women due to its high sexual violence. Hence, we have proposed a solution by which women can protect themselves in emergency situation. Shield, that is a smart handled intelligent embedded locating device, can be used extensively by all the genders and age group, but currently we are targeting working class women, that is aged between 18 and 32. After a lot of surveys and discussion, we thought of implementing this whole idea in a form of a smartwatch. Shield is a safety watch cum self-defense device that can protect women by triggering a pepper spray dispenser using the gesture recognition algorithm based on accelerometer reading, and when it is not in use, it basically acts like a normal smartwatch. And also the watch can be upgraded according to the latest market needs and trends.
Talking about adaptability, as we all know, we are going through a pandemic. We also thought of expanding the area of impact of our watch by taking hygiene into the picture and including a wash your hand feature which will periodically remind the user to wash his hand and protect themselves. Moving on to costability, manufacturing and buying the electronic components used here in bulk will decrease the cost of the end product. We are also thinking about outsourcing the manufacturing and assembly of the product, thus increasing our team focus on R&D through reviews, feedback, testing, analysis and discussions, thus reducing the overall pressure on our team.
The idea of the project was made with an aim to be sold as a product. Converting this project into a venture should be easier as the need for a personal protection device that is efficient and works in the majority of the situations is high. It also doubles as a smartwatch with the usual functions, so it won't be an additional device to carry or put on. Currently, our closest competitions are the Silent Beacon, the GPS Personal Safety Watch by Talkit, the SafeLet, the Personal Safety Watch, and Sonata Safety Act. The biggest difference between our product and the existing ones is the gesture-controlled pepper spray module, which is integrated into a smartwatch. It also has an app interface where all of its other features are available and they're connected via a Bluetooth module. All of the existing products are single devices, each having one feature only, and all the handheld devices require one to press a button, which may not be viable in a lot of situations. We have integrated the features of all the existing devices and apps into a single device, and as mentioned before, the gesture control feature does make the product more easy and practical to use in time of need. In addition to this, the device doubles as a smartwatch which can be used in their daily lives, so it won't be an hassle to carry an extra device just for protection.
Based on the recent news and the amount of news articles in the paper published daily, one can say that there is a high need for such a device. This is not only a protection device but also a smartwatch, so the customer will not be buying just our devices for protection. It can be used as a conventional smartwatch in their day-to-day lives and will always be with them in case of anything ever happens. The cost of making the product will be around 2000 rupees, which is affordable as we will be focusing on the middle class customers of India. Our main obstacle will be making sure that the gesture control module works properly and is interfaced properly with the pepper spray. Another hoop we may come across is the interaction of the hardware and the software parts of the project.
Customers will always be analyzing the best options, and it is important to take a customer-centric approach and understand their needs. The device will not only inhibit person's movement, and its reduced size and weight will make it more preferable. It comes with a good battery life and various other functionalities. And also we are proposing comparatively a lower price. A wristwatch disguised as a safety device would be a good option as it is a basic essential for everyday life and can be used by any age group. Various competition in the market includes SafeLit, Personal Smartwatch by AE Partners, Sonata Safety Act, Safe Motion, Rizlet, etc. And their limitation is that they only send the alert messages to the saved contacts and gives option for tracking the user location, but it doesn't provide any real-time protection. Whereas, in addition to that, Shield comes with a hand gesture control mechanism to eject pepper spray, and this makes it unique and different from others. We conducted a survey in our college with 200 people, and the results conveyed that 61.1% people liked the described product in the wristband format. 50.8% liked automatic gesture control pepper spray, and 43.4% people would like to buy the product at the proposed price.